Hey Queens and Kings, happy Sunday and welcome back for another video. Now I know Sunday we usually do like day in the life vlogs or whatever, but it's pretty much some days in the life right here, where actually this would be a two-part video here where I am doing some spring cleaner in my living room, change it around, decorating, you know, put a little pizzazz to it and everything. So if you're a new Queen and King here just stopping by, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell as well, because you don't want to miss out on any other video after this. Now, to my old royalties, I hope you guys got your notifications turned on too, because you don't want to miss part 2 and so on from there. Now, the vlogs and stuff, day in the life will be coming back. But I just want to go ahead and get these home decor decorating videos out to you guys, you know, so therefore we can keep on moving and we'll be back returning to the vlogs. Okay, this just a little something, I'm trying. But anyways, I hope you Queens and Kings enjoyed, and if you all do, you know what to do. Thank you guys, and you guys continue to watch. Hey Queens and Kings, so welcome back. A whole lot have changed since the last time that I spoke to you guys. I can't make up my mind what I want to do. So, but I think I have an idea of what I'm going to do now. And I'm not going to change it no more after this, because I want everything to be like in its defined area, or feel like that supposed to go there. You get what I'm saying? So, let me show you all pretty much what I have done so far. Okay, all right, so this is what I done. Y'all seen that I had a change around. I had did a whole lot of change around, and I came back, I was like, that's not what I want. It still just felt claustrophobic, and I'm not trying to go for that look. I want stuff to be open again, like just airy. So as you all see, I put the sofa back on that wall. I also put one of my end dressers tables. I mean side tables on the side there. And I put the broken one here. Now I just glued this down, so I'm gonna wait for that glue to go ahead and glue on up. So definitely ain't gotta worry about it moving or nothing. Then I'm gonna put the little script on the side of it. But right now this is what I have. So I put the chairs back there, and this is what it's gonna stay like here. Now you all also seen what I did, the kitchen area. That pretty much came because I ended up moving the table, and I started decluttering the table and took everything off of the table and stuff. And I basically did this over here. Put the round mirrors over here so it can balance with the round table that's gonna be back into the sunroom area. And I have my dresser from my bedroom, well, no longer my bedroom, over here. So this area, I'm thinking about making like a little, for to go along with the kitchen and stuff, like a breakfast bar type vibe, so I could clear up some counter off my kitchen or whatever. I don't know, it's just a thought right now. It's just a thought, you know, until I go to moving other stuff in place, putting other things in place and things like that. So the TV gonna go back on this wall here. I'm gonna mount the TV on this wall. This gonna stay below it, and so the TV is gonna go in that wall. So it's just gonna open this area up some. So yeah, and I'm liking that, just that little thought there. Now I ain't showing y'all what's behind that door yet, or what's behind me in this darn dining room area. Baby, everything is a chaos right now, but I feel good just accomplishing this portion so far, because honey, it was a whole lot of. So yeah. So now what I'm about to do is try to do some styling on it. I do want to bring like a pop of color. I want to do, I think I want to do the yellow. That's what I think I want to do for spring. Bring the pop of spring color yellow, something bright. Pretty much the yellow that I had in the bedroom. Bring just a pop of it here and there, not too much. I don't want to overkill because I love my brown and gold and gray. But we're going to have to try it out and see. So we're going to style this little area over here, and then we're going to style the coffee table. Coffee table ain't going to be nothing different than what I already had before. And put something low, probably most likely here, because I don't want it to obstruct the view of the TV. So yeah, it'd been nice if those chairs could have swiveled, but they don't. But oh well, I'm gonna let them stay like that. And we're gonna just work this area out and just keep on trying to work whatever I can pretty much work out. Okay. Oh, shit, I didn't know the thing had came off blind, y'all. So yeah. So let's go ahead and do a little style. Oh, I put that canvas on the wall there. I have my Chanel canvas, but the two canvas that I do have, because you see, I don't have too much of a big wall space area. I have another idea in mind to use those two canvas together up in the dining room area. So this old big white canvas that I had in Andre's room when I had his room over here, that's this the canvas that I had sitting on the side of the bed to prevent him from, you know, falling out the window or, you know, kicking the window or anything like that. That's what I had. So that's going to be a little DIY that I need to do, because just something simple, nothing major out of the ordinary, nothing like that. And I do have idea to put on each side of that canvas some sconces that I made, some round sconces, just to pull some of the circles over here as well. And I think that's gonna be it for that wall, and maybe probably put the canvas light back up there, but I'm gonna spray paint it gold other than that black, because that black just stick out like a sore thumb. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much gonna be it for this area here, until I could go ahead and mount the TV on the wall and things like that. But let's go ahead and just go ahead and style the side table as well as the coffee table. We're not gonna do this one yet. I'll leave that as is, because like I said, that's still drying and I want to clean it up. And I need to get some of the little small piece of glasses that fell. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that for the 5th time that I think I done said that. Okay, y'all, so I have this throw that I ordered from Amazon. I'm gonna try this one out. Probably on this side here. I don't know, I'm gonna play around with the pillars. Then I have these here. I don't think I'm gonna use these on that side. I'm gonna use these. I ain't taking the tag off because I can't make my mind up if I want to keep it or not. Okay, something different. Something different other than they on the side. Do a little something a little bit more different. So we're gonna move on this side, and I think I'm gonna use these. So this just up here. All right, queens and kings, so we have made it towards the end of the part one of a lot of rearranging and decorating and everything going on. But I do have the other side of the house to do and more other things to do, as in for the living room and all. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please come back, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you, queens and kings, in the next one. And you guys continue to be royal. Bye-bye.